Hi everyone, this is Satyam Raina. This video is a tutorial video to make LED light blink your first name in Morse code using Arduino Nano 33 IoT device. This task requires you to understand the functionality of Morse code and how it works in order to blink your first name with the inbuilt LED light. You will also be working on the open source Arduino IDE for the implementation of your code. Before that, we need to know the basics about Morse code and how it works. Well, Morse code is a text character encoding for transmitting telegraphic information using standardized sequences of short and long elements to represent letters, numerals, and etc. In Morse code, there are two functionalities, a dot and a dash, or a short mark and a longer mark. A short mark is a 1 unit long, whereas the longer mark is 3 unit long. In our code, we will make changes in the delay functions by increasing and decreasing the delays in order to represent these two functions. You will need the Morse code for your first name according to the given international Morse code chart as represented. You will be requiring following components: an Arduino Nano 33 IoT device, micro USB to micro A cable, Wi-Fi enabled device, either a laptop or a smartphone, and an open source Arduino IDE. For the coding part, we need to jump on the Arduino IDE, and in the file section you will find examples, and herein we will find a basic built-in examples. There is a built-in function given by the Arduino IDE, that is a blink function. We need to make changes in this function. This is how it looks, and we will be making changes as first of all we will get the Morse code for our name, and we require to make two functions to represent the dash and dot functions of the Morse code. I made a Morse dot function, that is a user defined function, in which there is we are using a function, a digital write function, that will return a high output, that will turn on the LED of the inbuilt Arduino Nano we are using here, and with a delay of 250, that is 250 milliseconds, that is around 0.25 seconds, and also to turn off the LED after the delay of 0.25 seconds or 250 milliseconds with the output of low, that is to turn off the LED. Also there is a void Morse dash function that works same, but the only change is in the delay function. Here we added the delay in proportion with the 250. 3 times 250 is 750, as we know that the standard Morse code defined dash by dot ratio as 3:1. And in the loop function, first of all, in the setup function we will initialize digital pin LED built in as an output with the pin mode using a pin mode function, and in the loop function that will run over and over again, we need to add the dot and dash function according to our name only, with a delay in between the alphabets. For example, my name is Satyam and the Morse code for S is dot dot dot, so I added the Morse dot function 3 times, and the second alphabet of my name is A, and the Morse code for A is dot dash. I added a delay between the two alphabets of 500 in order to see the changes in the light, in the delay of the inbuilt light, and accordingly we will add the remaining alphabets of our name. And that's it. Thank you.